Metal roofing panels can totally mess up your home if they are not installed right, especially when water starts sneaking in through the gaps. So, if you want to avoid water intrusion with your metal roof, first make sure the panels overlap properly. No shortcuts here because those gaps are water's best friends. Always use the right fasteners, like screws with rubber washers, to keep water out and prevent rust. Don't forget about sealing every seam with high-quality roofing sealant. It's a game changer for stopping leaks. When reinstalling panels, check that they lay flat and are aligned straight because any warping can create tiny spaces for water to sneak through. Also, inspect the underlayment beneath the panels. It's your second line of defense against moisture. If you notice any damaged or bent panels, swap them out instead of trying to patch them up. Regularly clean your roof to remove debris that can trap water and cause corrosion. Finally, after reinstalling, do a water test on a rainy day or with a hose to be sure no leaks are hiding. One of the biggest mistakes with metal roofing installation is not overlapping the panels enough, which leads directly to water intrusion. Fix this by following manufacturer guidelines for overlap length. Another common issue is using the wrong fasteners or missing rubber washers, causing screws to loosen and water to seep in. Make sure every screw has a washer and is tightened properly. The third problem is skipping sealant or using cheap stuff that doesn't hold up. Always invest in good roofing sealant and apply it generously on seams and around fasteners to keep water out for good. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff. Plus, it's a solid way for contractors to connect with people ready to get work done without all the hassle.